Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of color theory. Color theory is very important to artists because we need to pick the right colors to convey the mood of an artwork. Firstly, we need to start out with the basics. Yes, I mean the color wheel. You probably haven't seen this bad boy since your elementary school art class, so let me quickly review you on the colors that can be found on this wheel. It goes yellow, yellow-green, green, blue-green, blue, blue-violet, violet, red-violet, red, red-orange, orange, and yellow-orange. The purpose of this video is to help you out when picking a color scheme for an artwork. Each color on this wheel is a hue. We can change the value of the hue by making it darker or lighter, like this. I am not going to go over saturation, shades, tints, and tones in this video because chances are you're just using markers or colored pencils or an art application on your device and aren't mixing actual paint. All you really need to know about them is there are different ways to achieve the perfect hue. But for our purposes, we either have an assortment of mediums or this handy color picker thing. Now I'm going to give you some ideas for color schemes. We have primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. When picking a color scheme, remember to think about the mood it sets. For example, a primary color scheme gives a basic school mood as it's used in lots of school posters. On the other hand, secondary colors give off a spooky Halloween vibe because those hues are used in Halloween decorations. Analog colors would also make a nice color scheme. Analogous colors are the ones found right next to each other on the color wheel. Complementary colors are found across from each other on the color wheel. Again, be careful not to choose a color scheme that is already associated with something. It is never a bad idea to Google search color scheme ideas to find the perfect one for you. I have found many great color scheme ideas using this tactic, especially in my graphic design class I took at school. You can always add some keywords to find the desired scheme that you need for your art. Of course, in the end, just pick something that feels right to you. I've grabbed a few examples of talented artists and some of their inspiring color schemes. 96 Loon used this combination of dark purples and pinks to create this stunning piece. Saluni used this beautiful gold and deep purple scheme in this amazing piece. And finally, It's Lopez changed the original green colors to earthy brown hues to create this wonderful version of a steampunk Tinkerbell. Links to the artists I use as reference can be found in this video's description. I hope this video helped give you some ideas for your next artwork.